Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX seems to be still following this wide wave structure here, this extension higher. Yesterday we already talked about these structures here and I highlighted to you that, yeah, one more high is pretty much ideal on this chart. It doesn't need it. Generally, if we zoom out a little bit, or the upside expectations for this overall move here have been fulfilled, but still it would look better with one more high. That's been the theme for the last week or so, the last couple of weeks, because the price did reach our target between $30 and $40, did even overshoot that now, and therefore we said, okay, as long as we're holding a certain support level, which is $29, and the price has already moved away from it, one more high is a very reasonable expectation, around $54. And that, to be honest, is going to be a key level, because it's not only this 61.8 retracement level, which is a very relevant Fibonacci level and ratio on a chart. No, it's also a previous breakdown point. So we had around this area, yeah, this was, if I zoom in a little bit to previous price action from 2022, remember that one. We had here this swing low in January 22, which is also at $54, $55. Then we had this swing low, which was made in October 21. This was resistance in August 21. And then here a little bit of support in May 22. And to be honest, I remember at the time, and I think it wasn't only structural support, I think there was Fibonacci support here as well at the time. So that's quite an important level. There should be good resistance there, but we'll see. But I just want to mention that this is quite a significant level, not only the next Fib level to watch. No, it's been historically quite a relevant level on this chart, because when it then broke down, I mean, this was really the move down towards, $10 and below. So it was a dramatic sell-off afterwards. You basically see the phase change of the chart after breaking below that level. Also, before getting to that level in 2021, that didn't take very long. And then breaking down was also very fast. So it's just sort of, there was a bit of chopping around above it, but that was sort of the last bit. But historically, the market has moved quickly to that level. Also here, that was early in 2021, yeah. The market has quickly moved to that $55 level, 54. This is not exactly there, but pretty much it got rejected in that region. Here as well, it rallied significantly towards that area, and then it broke down from there. So just mentioning that is a key level to watch as we climb higher, and in the very short term, we should get there as long as, and there's always a condition, the $36.50 level is holding. This is this swing low there. This is important because that's the invalidation point for the white extension. Now, okay, breaking below that level would not rule out any further extensions, but looking at price action now, to be honest, I wouldn't really want to count that as a high B wave anymore. It could be, but it's not very large. But yeah, it could still be a high B wave. So if we now come down from here impulsively, I would first explore if this is a C wave of wave 4 still in the yellow count, and then it can attempt again another rally. That means $36.50 is important to determine and distinguish between white and yellow. And below $36.50, well, it would have to be yellow or something more bearish. But then $29 will be relevant for the yellow count. As long as we are above $36.50, the white structure is in control. And I'd like to see the price sort of grind towards $54 next. But be aware what the support level is. I mean, to be honest, it should already hold $38.90, or the probabilities will increase that we're already coming down. Just note that looking at the bigger picture, all the requirements have been fulfilled for this rally. It doesn't need to go any higher, absolutely not. It's sort of the last bit of this rally, but still, obviously, there is still some room. And just be aware when it is likely going to start to break down, but it would look better, with one more high. It is likely that this microstructure may change along the way, because it seems like that, well, the white wave count would have to be an ending diagonal, and these change frequently. Typically, what Elliott wave teaches us is that diagonals are oftentimes patterns that indicate an upcoming trend reversal, which would likely be to the downside, but we'll see. We don't want to call a top in place until not at least the first micro support level is broken, or you will get too bearish too early and sell too early or whatever, or go short too early, which is even worse. So let's just follow the trend until the market gives us a clear signal that something different is going on. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.